everybody, I'm Adria Roth and I'm with AR Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute boho tassels. We've used some of our chunky knit yarn, mixed in some other yarns, and these are perfect to put on your Christmas stocking this year or hang from your tree. You can use it as mantel decor, anything, but it's so cute, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So the first step is you need a piece of cardboard, any size. I want probably about 6 inches long. And then I cut open the top because we need to be able to line a piece of string across. So I take a piece of any type of twine and cut it off. Next, you're going to take all the yarns that you want to include in your tassel. So I used a chunky knit yarn, and I used a little fuzzy yarn, and then I used one that's kind of furry. I think mixing the textures gives it a really great look. All you're going to do is start wrapping around your cardboard. So I leave the tail end at the bottom. Hold on a second, gotta put the string back in. That's why we need this cut, so the string stays in place. So we're gonna take your yarn, wrap it once so it hangs, okay? And then take your 3 pieces and start wrapping around. And you do this as thick as you want it. Once you have a decent sized thickness, then you're going to take this floating string, the one that we put in the crease, and you're going to tie it off. So we need to tie it into a little knot, pull it tight, and tie it shut. So you should have your yarn on your cardboard with the long string, okay? Once you get to this point, take your cardboard off, slip it off, keeping this separate, and I kind of smooth it down. Once I smooth it, I want to tie off at the top with another piece of string, okay? Or you can, let me cut this first, you can use decorative string like this and wrap around, which I think is nice as well, so I think I'll use this one instead. I like to make it kind of thick where I'm wrapping, so I do it 5 or 6 times. Make sure you keep this separate. And when I've gotten it tied around enough, I will knot this off as well. Okay, now we're going to cut these off for all of this. So far, we have our string, our attached string at the top. We have knotted off our tassel. Now we need to cut open the bottom. Okay? So with scissors, just cut them apart. And then, once you get it, the bottoms cut, then I trim them. I kind of pull it down like this and trim across, cutting off the pieces that are too long. Okay, now we've got the tassel started. We need to top it off with the little wooden beads. And a little trick for when you are using beads, I like to put a little piece of tape at the end, and it helps it string through so much easier. So I add a piece of tape, put it on the end, wrap it around, and then if I need this end to be a little longer to go through a bigger bead, you see it doesn't go all the way through, I add another little piece of tape. You can do as many beads as you want. You can do a bunch of them, you can do 2, you can do 1, whatever you like. Once you have your beads on, you're going to tie it off with the knot, and I like to double knot it so that they don't fall apart. Then I put another little knot at the top so you can hang it. Have it. So you'll see that I have various sizes of my boho tassels. This one I use thinner yarns, and then this one I use my chunky knit yarns. It gives just a fun look. It's definitely, if you guys love anthropology, it's a very anthropology look. My teenage daughters love these, and I've been adding them to my stockings this year. I'll probably put some on the trees too, and it's just a fun twist to your Christmas.